Alright guys, today we'll be doing a walk around on this 1964 Starliner. For all those people new to that channel and know about this car and all of these, what these Starliners are, and anybody watching YouTube and come across this video, today we'll show you a walk around the video and do a cold startup. So let's start. Alright, let's start out with the front of the vehicle. Yep, this is a 292 Y block here. 195 horsepower, I believe. Well, this one ain't that much option though. But yeah, this just has a regular old two barrel carburetor here. It does have some kind of headers, but yeah. This doesn't have power steering or nothing. This has a the Cruise-O-Matic, the 3-speed automatic. These came with a 292 Y block, like you said, a 223 or 223 in line 6, a 352 FE, 2-barrel and 4-barrel, a 352 high power, 360 horsepower FE. FE stands for Ford Edsel, so you know, they start out in Ford Edsels, but yeah, 352 is the highest engine you can get in this. But yeah, the transmission options for 3 and 3, the Ford-O-Matic and the Cruise-O-Matic, I think. I apologize if I got that wrong, but yeah, the colors range from green, black, blue, white, yeah. Don't know all the colors, but this is black. But another options these came with is boosted brakes and power steering and engine block heater, which this doesn't come with. But it also, fun fact about this, the cap for the FE are on the other side of that. So I don't know what that's all about, but yeah. But I come here, they get the Starliner is the most highly option or highest trim of the Galaxie series. Now only 64,000 of these made. They did made it in 61, but you know, they made less of it and it's less good looking in my opinion. But yeah, this is the Club Victoria, which yeah. Okay, there's a Galaxie, there's a Fairline, there's even a wagon. There is an Edsel version and a convertible and a Sunliner. Yep, we don't have the Galaxies, Fairlines, and yeah, we had the Sunliner though. Check out the channel for that. But yeah, this thing is pretty much a done restoration. Yeah, but yeah, the interior needs to be clean. But yeah, fun fact about these came with AC, power windows and power seats in the tissue box for you know, the Chevy people that you smoke. But yeah, we have AM and FM radar on this. Ain't a factory option, I don't believe yet. But yeah, I think the rear speakers in factory option. But also, cool part about this is you can slide right down in here, and there's the next option, a clock. Not all of them came with a clock. It's just a panel there with the lion, I think it is. They also padded dash was an option, so this was the padded dash, but it was all cracked, and I think the non-padded dash looks nicer. Yeah, everything works except reverse lights, so, and the fuel gauge. The horn works, the brake lights, everything on here works. Yeah, this is on black and black interior. Yeah, very rare cars, and yeah, I only have seen one other one, but this has a Lincoln Continental kit on here, so I don't know if it was a factory option or not, but it has it. Looks pretty cool. Ain't complete, so yeah. Also, some of these came with a rocker trim on here. This unfortunately does not. Also, it comes with you know, the fender skirts. This one came with the fender skirts, so you can go to car shows. Yeah, this is only a car show car. Only going to car shows for its whole life. So, you know what? Seems like a nice day out. So why not go ahead and start her up? So, I'm gonna go put you guys back there and start her up. Alright. Let's see, we'll start first try. Go. First try. Wondering why it sounds so good. Straight pipe with glass packs. So, yeah. The carburetor needs cleaned up. It needs tuning because listen to the popping noise. There is some popping noises. Both of these vehicles does that. I'm hoping it just needs to be driven, but I'm gonna go turn on the lights and give you guys a nice quiet walk around of it. So, 2. When we're done running it, I'll show you the trunk, but if you guys comment down below how many heifers you think this can haul, I say 3 of them. 3. Whoa, bad fingers, but yeah, 3 hefters. It's a pretty big trunk. Listen to it idle. So, if you guys want to see this drive for the first time, go watch the video about it. I have it probably right around there, you know, top right corner of the screen, or yeah. So it drove pretty nice. We even got it up to 60, so that's pretty awesome. First drive in 10 years. Haven't been on the road since 2000. Last show been to is Iola. So it needs a cleaning. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see a proper first drive or drive video about it. Outside view and a cleanup. But back to this beauty. And I'm only 16. I'm wondering what have been done to us. A lot of people don't have that in their videos, but me and my dad been restoring it for the last 2 years. We got it in 2022. It was my grandpa's, so yeah. When we got it, the floors were all, you know, rusted, gone. There was rivet plates everywhere. There was a panel for the trunk. It was bad. The frame was all rotten, gone. But in the past 2 years, I spent a year and a half doing it myself. But hey, it's getting better. I think we need to idle it down a bit, but yeah. Just a couple of months ago, we put the carpet, or last month, the seats are all original. Everything here is original except the paint and the carpet and pretty much the metal. The engine's original and maybe the wheels. No blow by today, but yeah. Just listen to her purr. Yeah. Right now we have a couple of other starliners, so you guys want to check them out and see the other restorations to them. Subscribe to the channel, please. That'll really mean a lot to me. one away from 800 subscribers. Tonight we're probably gonna be at it, but yeah, it'll really mean a lot to me, guys. Check out Nick Nonsense. Yeah, that's my dad's channel, who also been restoring this beauty. It needs a repaint. It needs body work. Yep, body work and paint. But my opinion, we should drive it tonight. We just don't have it insured yet, but let me go set you down and listen to her rev. Bit smoky, but once again, 2,000 has last been driven. It needs to be driven more to find out the other flaw. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. I should shut her off too and show you the trunk, like I said. But yeah, you also want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. It will really mean a lot to me, and it'll help get more on the road. Nor the smoke that's going to the road. That's from the road. But yeah, alright. Whoever gets closest to the amount of heifers that can fit in here, go get your pin comment. Your pin comment, yeah. Comment pinned. Yeah, I can't speak today. Boom. Yep. 5 heifers. 5 people can fit in this trunk. Still need to do carpeting. Yeah. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, reviving the El Junkie buggy. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please check out everybody in links in the description. Classic Car Revivals, Whiskey Ends, High Oktane Garage, OK Speed Shop. Hey, I think I might be getting OK Speed Shop some mail soon. So stick around to the main video for that. Check out Arco at Outlet Edge. Check out OK Speed Shop. I think I said that. Check out 1776 Garage. I said Whiskey Dens Classic Car Revival. Check out Greasy's Garage. Check out Cubics Pro 2.0. Midnight Customs. Check out Tree Top Garage. Everybody else, I forgot. I apologize. I think I got everybody, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.